Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make your Instagram account private. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now I'm going to open up the Instagram app here, and you can make your account private if you don't have a business or creator account. So if you have a business or creator account, then it's meant to be public, and it's meant to be kind of anybody can see what you post and all that stuff. So if you have one of those accounts, you need to first switch it over to a personal account and then change it to a private account. But if you have a personal Instagram account, then you can easily change it to private. What we're going to do once we're on here is we're going to tap the profile icon at the bottom right here. And then we'll tap those three lines at the top right. And then you can see very top, I'll hit settings. And then the third option is privacy. I will tap on privacy. Now, the very first thing that you'll see is private account, and you can toggle that on. And what it says is switch to a private account. Only your followers will be able to see your photos and videos. They won't change who can message, tag, or mention you, but you won't be able to tag people who don't follow you. So you can turn that on, and you can see now it's changed a lot of these interactions down below on who can see different things. Of course, now if anyone wants to see your posts, they need to request to follow you, and you need to approve that so that they can see any of your posts or your stories. And of course, as I mentioned before, you need a personal account to be able to do this. You can't do it with a business or creator account. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.